Hi, I'm Peter from Wisher Group, and here today to talk about weighing and load cells. So the first thing I want to cover is a little bit of terminology, which is divisions. So divisions is worked out by dividing the capacity of a scale by the readability or resolution of the scale. So we've got a 60 kilo scale to 1 gram resolution. So 60 kilos, 60,000 grams divided by 1 gram, that's 60,000 divisions. Now I want to just cover the two main types of load cell. First one, it's a strain gauge, and you've got a number of resistors here and a lump of metal, in this case aluminium. So there's a load applied, this strains the resistors, the resistance changes, and from that you're able to calculate the weight. This here load cell is much more complex, and you can see here it's got an electromagnetic engine. The load is applied here, and what happens is the electromagnetic engine kicks in, returns it to equilibrium, and it's that force, the amount of force applied, they use that to calculate the weight. This here particular series of scales is the Mettler-Toledo PPK series. Okay, and this one can weigh up to 3,000 grams to 0.05 grams, so that's 60,000 divisions. The entire series, though, you can go from 3,000 grams all the way up to 300 kg. So, and it can also be configured to either 60,000 divisions, 300,000, maximum 600,000 divisions. So you could have 300 kg to 0.5 grams, 600,000 divisions. It's very, very accurate. It has a key brick cell and the electromagnetic engines in here. You can also see it's got an internal weight. What happens is this can apply a weight, the internal weight, which is known, to the load cell, and then adjust itself. Make sure it's weighing accurately at all times. Typically, this here, depending on how it's configured, ballpark figure 5K all the way up to 10K. This here scale, you can see, weighs up to 20 kilos to 0.1 grams. So you can see it has a strain gauge. So 20 kilos to 0.1 grams is 200,000 divisions. Strain gauge is typically, you talk about maybe 3,000 divisions, 6,000, 12,000, but 200,000 divisions is probably pushing it beyond the limitations of a strain gauge. As a UCAS accredited company, so we're ISO 17025 accredited to test weighing machines, and we come across these less expensive machines, typically have to adjust them first before doing a calibration. That means in between calibration times, you could be weighing quite out, you wouldn't know. And if it's really important to you to weigh accurately, then you need that level of precision, then really we would recommend a digital load cell. This here typically is between 800 pounds to 1,000 pounds, whereas, as I said before, this is 5K to 10K. It's not really apples for apples. This may say on the data sheet it can get 200,000 divisions, but this here technology is much more complex. And 200,000 divisions from a strain gauge, well, to us it sounds a bit too good to be true. If it sounds too good to be true, then probably is. Okay, thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the next video.